Let's start creating your design for the custom shape acrylic spinning standee using Merchise's template. Go to merchise.com. Enter custom shape acrylic spinning standee in the search box to find the product in the catalog. On the product page, click the Download Template and Mockup button, or click the Template and Mockup tab to find the download link. Download the PSD template file to your computer. You can use Photoshop or any alternative that supports smart object functions. In this tutorial, we'll use Photopea, a free online editing tool. Go to photopea.com. Drag and drop the template file into the Photopea workspace. Before we start designing, let's look at the product and how the template works. This product has two parts: the standee, the main decorative acrylic piece with your custom shape and artwork, and the base, the round acrylic platform the standee clips into and spins on. The standee connects to the base through a small tab at its bottom edge. This tab slots into a punch hole on the base, locking the two pieces together. Now let's look at the template. Here you can see all four sections: the cutout shape and printed design for the standee, and the cutout shape and printed design for the base. Zoom into the bottom of the cut shape of the standee. You will notice a crossed-out rectangle. Your cut shape design must cover this section entirely. To preview how a completed design looks across all sections, click the eye icon next to the Customizable Parts group in the Layers panel to turn it on. Now take a closer look at the cut shape design of the standee. This cut shape doesn't include the small tab at the bottom because it will be automatically added to your shape design during the production. To make sure that the added tab is connected to your standee design must extend all the way down to the bottom edge like this. If it doesn't, the tab won't blend into your artwork and the connection will look broken. Turn the Customizable Parts group back off for now. Also notice the green dashed lines on the canvas. These mark the safe zone boundaries. Keep all important design details inside these lines. Now let's create the standee design. In the Layers panel, find the layer named Design, Standee Layer, and double-click its thumbnail, the small preview icon on the left, to open the smart object in a new tab. Let's turn off the example design. Place inside the safe print area shown on this canvas. Important: your artwork must reach all the way down to the bottom line of the design area and must fully cover the crossed-out section below it. Keep your design horizontally centered on the canvas. This ensures the standee sits balanced in the base and spins evenly without leaning to one side. Make sure all lines and details in your artwork are at least 40 pixels thick. Anything thinner may not cut cleanly through the acrylic. When your artwork is ready, press Ctrl+S, Windows, or Command+S, Mac, to save. Then close this tab to return to the main template. Back in the main template, turn on the Customizable Parts, Turn On group. You'll see that the cutout shape, standee layer, and printed design, standee layer, have both been automatically generated. You don't need to edit these manually. Now let's create the base design. In the Layers panel, find Design, Standee Base Layer, and double-click its thumbnail to open the Smart Object in a new tab. Place your artwork within the safe print area guides on this canvas. Keep all lines and details at least 40 pixels thick. The base design must include a punch hole. This is the opening that the standee's bottom tab slots through. The punch hole must be exactly 159 pixels wide. The punch hole must also be placed at the center of your design. When your base design is complete, turn off all unnecessary layers, save Smart Object, then close the tab to return to the main template. Back in the main template, the cutout shape, standee base layer, and printed design, standee base layer, have both been automatically generated. Your full design across all four sections is now complete. Before exporting, turn off the guide group in the Layers panel so the guidelines won't appear in your final file. In Photopea, go to File, Export as PNG to export your design with a transparent background. In Photoshop, go to File, Export, Quick Export as PNG, or go to File, Save a Copy, and choose PNG format. Your file is now ready to upload to Merchize. On our template and mockup link, open Mockup folder. Now you can download the PSD file to create your own mockup. Just like with template files, you can open mockup files on Photoshop or Photopea. Now, open Smart Object for Place Your Design here in a new tab. When a new tab appears, you will see the template file. If you've already created your own print design file with this template, just drag your file and fill this template with the design file saved from before. Once you finish filling this template, save this Smart Object by holding down Ctrl+S. Close this tab and come back to our mockup file. There are 3 mockup options. Option 1 shows the complete products. Option 2 represents different angles of the products, and the 3 option shows the different part of this product. Select the mockup options you want to choose. For each option, you can also switch the default background or change into your own background. If you are satisfied with how your mockup looks, now you can save your mockup for your own use. Make sure to turn off all guide layers before saving your artwork. You have finished your template and mockup. It's time to upload your design to our fulfillment system and start selling.